think about the new haircut, babe?
It's good.
Does it look alright? Okay, so something decent happened today. Something small, something good. And finally hit 100 subscribers. So I was really chuffed, and I thought I'm going to do a 100 subscriber celebration video featuring all the best clips from the past year and a half. And then I lost a subscriber back down to 99. It's just, you know, it's just the road's been like that the whole way to get to 100. And it's just like driving the dagger into my heart, man. You unsubscribed just as I hit 100. You dick. Let's forgive my rage. I forgot to intro the vlog. This is Stoney Mountain part 2. This is where we try and fly the drone again. And I'm telling you, if I don't fly tonight, I'm selling the damn thing. Because I'm sick of it. Sick of everything trying to stop me from flying. If it's not the weather, or it's people, or it's flying bloody ants, it's the CAA. I'm just... Yeah, so we've went and we bought a load of insect repellent the other day from the camping shop. So we've spread that on, so hopefully we're not going to eat them tonight. But I still feel things landing on me.
I think they'll probably just like bounce into us and fly off because they'll just be flying.
Well, I'll tell you what, the ultimate test, we'll get the bottle up later. This is classes as a review of sorts. If anybody knows how to get eaten, it's us out in the wild. We should go up Stoney Mountain. That would have been the ultimate test. You watch, it won't work. We're meant to be going camping next week, and if this stuff don't work, we're gonna have problems. We're gonna have serious problems.
Get some other stuff. You can get stuff from the pharmacies as well, can't you?
If we get eaten when we're camping, I'm setting fire to the tent. It's the only way. Ah, here we are. There we are. I call them, oh, midges. Look at them. Midges. We're gonna get eaten. Do we get eaten today, yes or no? Well, I'll be sure to tell you in the next couple of days. Who subscribes and lets a man get to 100 and then unsubscribes? What lens have I got, hun? Ooh, 18 mil close. It's a 10 to 18 mil lens. Super Saver edition, Amazon Prime Day, special offer. Thank you very much. Bit of uncharted territory.
Yeah.
For shore bag and winch bag. Has anything landed on you yet?
No.
I feel things like brush past me. I come to the conclusion, very briefly got here in this conclusion of mine, that it's no good going out for these walks in the woods if you can't take off with the drone. Really nice wide gap, wide opening to take off. And we're just trees. Lots and lots of trees. More trees, you shake a stick at. Oh, yes. And now, yeah, if you want to hear more jokes like that, subscribe. Press the notification bell to know when I upload more jokes. More prime cuts. What
do you call an alligator in a vest?
An alligator in a vest?
Yeah.
Alligator in the vest. I don't know.
An investigator.
An investigate. No, a gator in a vest. Jeez. The sun's disappeared.
Nice and cool.
Nice and cool now. Oh, look at that opening over there. Yes, might get some dronage in a minute. Okay, just need to find a good spot and then away we go.
No, mine's still saying 99.
So there's peeps. Hit 100 according to YouTube Studio. Or should we go a little bit further around that bend? This is like the worst environment imaginable to take off from. I hate it. And then buzzing flies and get in your ears and you get bees all around your head. Ugh. Why'd you come down to a plantation, Chris? Because I do stupid things like that. Don't I? What's that down there? Is that a little duck? I don't want to upset Mama if she's about though. What do we do? Should we go have a look? If Mama comes, we've got to run.
I don't think Mama's coming.
Oh no, you kidding? Babe, I can't, just leave it.
We can't.
Oh my god, look.
Do you want to ring Mike's bed place?
Oh, the poor bugger.
We're going to take it in.
It's going to get eaten if we leave her out
Yeah,
here.
we're going to have to take him in.
Can pick him up?
Yeah.
Have we got anything to wrap her up in? Are we going to get a blanket?
Blanket?
I'll take her heading back to the car now.
We can't leave her, can we?
No. Oh, you poor sod. Looks like we're looking after the duck tonight. Take it home, look after it.
And I'll take it to the Manx Bird place in the morning.
Yeah? Is it injured at all?
I can't tell.
It doesn't look injured. Oh, we
Just
can't.
looks very baby.
Does. Right.
Alright, baby.
It's going to be a quick YouTube on how to look after a duck tonight.
Come
on, let's head back. Oh, didn't expect that to happen. This is when some angry goose comes. Is that the duck that's chirping away? Oh, it's crazy. You know, you come out to fly a drone and you rescue a duck. I couldn't believe it when I saw it just on the floor, just all struggling and flopping around. Is it trying to run away?
No, it's just wiggled slightly as all. But I want to keep it warm and...
Oh, it's boiling out here. Looks like you've adopted a duck.
I have.
Just a little bit. Can't leave it out there.
Not at all.
Just left in the road there. Fending for itself? No way. No way.
Wild cats as well.
We're going to look after this. Gonna have to look after this little duckling for a little bit, and then get to the MSPCA or the bird guys, and see if we can find her a little home.
Your tummy again.
For me. And this isn't your ordinary Monday night. Mind you, is it ever ordinary with us?
Yeah.
If you go down to the woods today, you find a duck that needs rescuing.
Yeah.
Foggy glasses. Right, so that's our rescue attempt. Got it back to the car, and I think we're going to head back home now. And keep an eye on the poor thing. See what we can do, and just help it through the night. And hopefully tomorrow we can get it to the duck doctor. Yeah. And yeah, we'll go from there.
Yeah, the car park at South Barrule. We think it's a duckling, but it's really tiny, so it's the one that's by you know, the Segway thing.
Laser Mayhem.
And Laser Mayhem. That's fine. Not at all, that's totally fine. I've got the bird just resting on a blanket in my car at the minute with the doors and everything open, so. Alright, thank you. Bye. He's coming here. So it'll be about 10 minutes, he's coming to pick the bird up.
Nice. Job well done.
Feel good now.
There we are. So we have it, folks. Quick phone call to the birdman. It was a birdman who was...
It was Manx Bird Aid.
Manx Bird Aid. Thank you guys. So they're coming out here in 10 minutes to pick the little bird up. So fingers crossed, it's going to be okay. And maybe once we've done that, we can get our bird up in the air, if you know what I'm talking about. Oh, so job done, guys. Hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. hopefully it came out okay, it wasn't too dark. But yeah, we saved our pheasant, hopefully. Laura's going to get in touch with the bird aid, and hopefully we'll have an update for you guys. Fingers crossed that he's okay. And we're heading back now to eat some chicken. Oh dear. Anyway guys, as always, it's been a pleasure. Ciao.